What's up everybody? Today I'm talking laptop cooling. When I say laptop cooling, I mean heatsink and I mean cooling fan. So heatsinks, they have no moving parts, so they typically last forever. But since they fall under laptop cooling, I'm gonna go over them anyways. Then we have cooling fans, which do have moving parts and over time do degrade. So sometimes they might have something caught inside of them and you can use compressed air to just blow it out. And then of course it could just stop functioning completely. Either way, I'm going to show you how to swap it out.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Alright, let's grab our tools. I recommend using a T5 Torx, a Phillips #1, and it doesn't hurt to have a plastic scribe as well. If you need any of these, I'll leave a link in the description below. Step number 1, unscrew the bottom base and gently separate it from the palm rest. This is where having the plastic scribe really helps out. Then to avoid electrical damage, it's always good to disconnect the battery. Let's move on to the cooling fan. Just kidding. Okay, cooling fans, there's a left and a right. Dell calls them left and right, but it really doesn't matter. It just depends on which direction you're facing. Either way, the process is the same for both. Just be cautious when unplugging it. The wires on these, they're very thin. The heatsink is the easiest part. Just remove the screws and then lift it out. Super easy. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is... Now that everything is said and done, the reassembly is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.